My name is Ben Nathan and I'm the Chief Fund Manager within the Forex Mentor Fund Trader Academy live trading classroom. Now, the purpose of this small video is to highlight a little tool we use within the FTA to identify key trading setups throughout each day. Now, whether that's scalping or whether it's with intraday trading, fractals are an important part of what we do, and they are very, very useful indeed. Now, the reason why they're useful is because generally, when we have a strong fractal break, we often see rallies. So let's look at a couple of examples first. So if I get my little shape highlighter out, if we take this little cluster of fractals here, if you look when they get broken with this candle here, we have a nice little rally up. Okay, so a nice move there, and we rally up by around 51 pips. Okay, but let's have a look at what happens on the way back down. So we highlight the last couple of fractals here. When they get broken, again, we see a nice rally down. Then, of course, fundamentally, the fundamentals had something to do with this big move here. It's a European Central Bank speech, okay? But in general, we do see a lot of action around fractal breaks. Now, let's look at another one. Okay, if we highlight a couple here, again, when they get broken, we have a nice little rally down by around 17, 18 pips, and that's still going. Okay, so fractals provide key levels for certain trades, okay? But as a professional trader, it's good not to have to rely on indicators. It's good to be able to trade on naked charts, okay? Now, obviously, it's not just about fractals. Of course, there are other rules as well, but fractals are an integral part of how we trade. So, let's imagine we need to trade on a naked chart, but we still want to use those key levels. So, what I'm going to do for you, let me set up a new Euro chart. We'll just start it off on the 15-minute chart. I'll take off a grid to make it nice and clear. Now, the layout I prefer is candles. So if I zoom in a couple of times to make it nice and clear for you guys to see. So what's a fractal? Okay, basically a fractal is basically a symbol to indicate a swing high or a swing low. And of course, as you've seen, these swing highs and swing lows, when they get broken up and down, quite often or not, we do see some sort of rally there. Okay, so first of all, how do we identify a swing high? Well, a swing high is a candle that has two lower candles closed to either side. Okay, so let's have a look at this candle here as an example. We have two completed lower candles to the left, two completed lower candles to the right. Okay, so that is a swing high. So if I highlight that, let's look for a couple more swing highs, shall we, just to make sure this all makes sense. So here is another obvious key high or swing high, because you've got two lower candles to the right, two lower candles to the left, so we've got one there. Okay, let's see if we can highlight another one just to confirm all of this. Okay, so if we take this candle here, we've got another two lower to the left, another two lower to the right, so we'll highlight that. So likewise, a downwards fractal is a swing low. It's there to highlight a swing low. So very much the same as the other two. A swing low is a candle that has two higher completed candles to either side. So we'll take this one here. Okay, we have two higher candles to the left, two higher candles to the right. There's a swing low. Okay, let's find a couple more, shall we? Okay, this candle here, we've got two higher closed candles to the left, two higher closed candles to the right. So let's highlight that one out too. Okay, and find one more just to confirm this. We've got this one here. No, let's find another one actually. This one here, because this is one that's forming right now. So we've got two completed candles that are higher to the left, one completed candle that's higher to the right, which means the fractal will start to form. When its current candle closes, that's when a fractal's confirmed. That's when its swing low is confirmed. Okay, so let's just do one more. This candle here, we've got two completed candles to the left, two completed candles to the right, so again we've got another swing low at that point there as well. Okay, so that's how you identify where a fractal would usually be. That's how you identify key levels on a naked trading chart. Okay, so how do we get the fractals on there if you don't want to look at it manually? Well, there is an indicator in all the MT4s. You simply click on Insert, Indicators, Bill Williams, Fractals, and then click on OK. And as you can see, where we've highlighted those swing highs and lows, there are the fractals. Okay, so that's just a little bit on how you could possibly trade in a naked chart and key levels to look out for. There's many more lessons to learn. Okay, we teach these methods in a live trading classroom. It's forexmentor.com/FTA. I'm here all day to answer any questions, so do feel free to get in touch, and we're here to help you in any way we can. Thanks, guys.